पाहतोय अत्यंत महत्त्वाची बातमी आणि आता सुनावणीला ही सुरुवात होते। राष्ट्रवादी आमदार पात्रतेच्या सुनावणीवर ही सुनावणी आता सुरू होते। निकाल वाचनाला सुरुवात झालेली आहे।
Closed all the petition and reserved them for orders, and the orders with regards to all the petitions will be pronounced today. There are in total 5 petitions. Petition number 1 is filed by the Sharad Pawar faction through Shri Jayant Patil against Shri Ajit Pawar and 8 other MLAs of the Ajit Pawar faction. Petition number 2 is filed by the Ajit Pawar faction through Shri Anil Patil against Shri Jayant Patil and Shri Jitendra Awad of the Sharad Pawar faction. Petition number 3 is filed by Shri Sharad Pawar faction through Shri Jayant Patil against Shri Narhari Jherwar and 19 other MLAs of the Ajit Pawar faction. Petition number 4 is filed by the Sharad Pawar faction through Shri Jitendra Awad against Shri Chetan Tupe and 11 other MLAs of the Ajit Pawar faction. Petition number 5 is filed by the Ajit Pawar faction through Shri Anil Patil against Shri Anil Deshmukh and 7 other MLAs of the Sharad Pawar faction. There are in total 3 petitions filed by the Sharad Pawar faction against the Ajit Pawar faction and 2 petitions filed by the Ajit Pawar faction against the Sharad Pawar faction. Filed by Shri Ajit Pawar faction against Shri Sharad Pawar faction by order dated 16 January 2024, I had by consent of both the parties consolidated all the petitions into 2 groups. Petition number 1, 3 and 4 filed by the Sharad Pawar faction were grouped as group 1, and petition number 2 and 5 filed by the Ajit Pawar faction were grouped as group 2. I would be pronouncing 2 separate judgments in these 2 groups. In the facts and circumstances of the matter and in view of the facts that the rival factions had emerged within the NCP prior to the initiation of disqualification petitions, I had to determine which faction was the real political party for the purpose of these disqualification petitions as per the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in Subhash Desai matter. This issue is common in both the groups. So what I shall proceed to do is, I shall first pronounce the order in group 1, where I shall first deal with the preliminary issue and then deal with the issue with regards to disqualification. And then we'll follow with the second petition, group. So, the Honorable Supreme Court in Subhash Desai versus Governor of Maharashtra, hereinafter referred to as Subhash Desai, was pleased to hold that the Speaker should prima facie determine who the real political party is for the purpose of adjudicating disqualification petitions, if 2 or more factions claim to be that political party, in keeping with the principles discussed in the said judgment. A bare perusal of the pleadings in the present matter indicate the emergence of 2 factions within the NCP, the Ajit Pawar faction and the Sharad Pawar faction. Although the said judgment was in the matter that arose from a somewhat similar political situation that arose in the House concerning the ShivSena, it does constitute a precedent that would apply on all 4 of the petition present disqualification matters as well. Hence, keeping in view the similar factual matrix and the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in Subhash Desai Supra, I will prima facie determine which faction is the real political party for the purpose of adjudicating these disqualification petitions. The said preliminary determination is necessary before examining the merits and deciding whether respondents have incurred disqualification under the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. Therefore, to quote, the preliminary issue that arises for my consideration before delving into the merits of disqualification petition under the 10th schedule is, which among the 2 factions was the real NCP political party for the purpose of deciding the present disqualification petitions. The other